Bon dia, guys. Welcome to this week's video. I'm Laura. This is our journey on Pico Island. And I wanted to show you something very exciting that we've been waiting quite a long time to get done. And it's our barbecue, our outdoor barbecue, Portuguese style. Anyways, they're just doing the cementing. They did some of the blocks, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what and how they're doing it. So this is our back here, our rental. So I'm going to show you. So they have this part done. So what we're going to do is we're going to do two grills. So one on either side. So you can cook your meats here and you can do vegetables here. But I always find it fascinating how they do the blocks and the cement. It's almost like icing a cake. And we have a great couple of men here doing the work. And they're working very hard. All right, so we have this wall done. Well, it's not done, but now they're going to take a piece of wood and try to just go up the wall just to smooth it out. And we're getting ready to do that right now.
It's easy. It looks easier. No, it looks easy. Yeah, I always
So you see how they put this piece of wood on the top here? So that kind of creates the edge of the wall. I have to sift the sand. We're trying to do it the hard way, Thomas was telling us. This is the way to sift sand. Carlos, I think you should be sifting some sand.
Oh, you have a better thing there. I use this stupid thing. It took me an hour just to get that failed. An hour? Only. Yeah, that's it. We kind of jumping from tourism to the house, having a great time with the guests that we've had here. Elaine's group and Mike and
my aunt.
And Sue. No, been really good. But now we got to focus on the house for about a week. And they're already, as Laura showed you, there's someone, that wall will be finished. Thank God my friend Thomas, he doesn't really like cement as much, but it looks like he's pretty good at it.
Yes.
Him and the gentleman. So I appreciate them coming out and doing this. And we also bought an umbrella. And
yes.
We're going to put it up, see how it looks. You guys can let us know if, I didn't think of this color, which is yellow. Laura thought would be the best color.
I thought
let us know.
This color would be good because if you're giving directions to people up to the house, just say follow the yellow umbrella. Not the yellow brick road, but the yellow umbrella.
You could also say look for the blue umbrella.
No, we need to pop a color up here.
Yeah, okay. You think it's going to be hard putting this? We have to get Thomas to help us?
No. No, we were actually rushing around early this morning to get cement and stuff like that. Because some of the bags that we had bought previously when we had someone else that was going to do the barbecue and then they stopped, the cement bags hardened.
The humidity, yeah.
Yes, so we had to get new ones. But they're about €5 each, so that's not too bad.
I think there's some boats up there, whale watching boats.
So my aunt and her friends are actually over. Oh, geez, Carlos, that's going to sound very loud on the video. Sorry about that, guys. They're over in Azores today, which is the island, about an hour ferry ride from Pico. And no, they've been having a great time here.
And the end went out and saw some blue whales, sei whales,
yes,
and dolphins yesterday, which she was thrilled.
Yeah, she was thrilled that she was able to get out to do that. So, yes, we're so happy to have them here. And okay, so let's just get this umbrella up because I think it's going to look really nice.
Let us know if you like the color or not.
Yeah. You have a thing that you roll, babe, like an umbrella. Don't you know how to work an umbrella? There we go, guys.
Oh, look at this view from here.
Look how beautiful that is.
I don't know how high can it go?
Keep going till it tightens. Keep going.
How about the wire?
No, we're fine. The wire's not going to do anything, babe.
Okay, it's getting hard.
Carlos is worried about this wire, but it's fine.
Like this, eh?
Wow,
look at
isn't that beautiful?
You gotta go that way. Go behind.
Wow.
Come
Okay.
this way. The
Yeah.
color blue. You gotta take a picture.
We stained all these chairs. We restained them. This looks great.
Look at it.
Let's look at that.
Take a picture.
Oh,
Wow.
isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, I think I
With
like
the blue
yellow.
water. I
like
told
it.
you.
I like it. Yeah. Just a little color. Isn't that what I said?
Yeah. Pop a color.
You said that. I didn't
I
say
said,
that.
yeah. Pop a color.
Wow.
I'm going to take a picture.
Can you get me a beer, honey?
Get it yourself.
I can sit here all day, staring at the water.
No, we still have too much work to do. There's things that we have to do in the house. We have to clean. We have to put some more lights up. And yeah, look at that. Very nice.
Wow, the blue is crazy today. It is crazy.
From here, here's the front of the house. I think we'll take a photo from like down the road and see. We could probably see it from there.
See it from the boat.
Wow, this is great. So excited. Actually, my stomach's growling already. I must be hungry. Oh, here's the garden. Yeah, someone made a comment. Oh, there's not enough color in the garden. But you know what? If you look at Japanese gardens, they don't have like color. It's very simple, serene. Anyways, everyone has a right to their opinion. But I love my garden. See, we have some color. Look at that. And then we have calla lilies, so that when these calla lilies come up, they're going to be a bright red. So that's going to be gorgeous. I think there's some whale watching boats out there. Very excited. So, we're gonna get some yellow cushions.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I think the yellow would be nice. Gotta be comfy. Just picture yourself eating dinner or lunch out here with a nice glass of wine. Or if you don't drink alcohol, you can have some water or passion fruit. And then, once we get the barbecue done, woo! Party? No parties allowed at this house.
No, there's parties.
What are you doing? Taking a picture?
A few pictures, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go back to the barbecue. That's one job done. Now we have to put the lights up. Okay, Carlos, what are you up to?
In case it's not ready, it's a makeshift fire pit and barbecue. I'm just doing it as I go. I don't know what I'm doing, basically.
It actually looks pretty good.
Well, I'm just trying to create something that'll work here, just for now.
Is that the washing bin from Lush?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a washing bin. A lot of people use these to create barbecues. Huh.
All I'm trying to do here, there's holes in those sides, right? So let some air in.
Yeah.
This is mostly just to bring, so people don't touch it. And you can then, want to buy a new grill, right? Watch. I'm going to fill it halfway with rocks, lava rocks, then wood, right? No, it's this one here. It's just a makeshift, see?
And you think that's safe?
Why wouldn't it be safe? Why? What are you talking about?
Okay.
What's the unsafe part that you're seeing here?
That they're going to grab that handle and it's going to be really hot?
What handle? This?
Yeah.
But this could happen in any barbecue. They can do this in any barbecue.
Yeah.
Grab it in the wrong handle. It's not, they got to be careful. No, but I think you could. This is just so people don't touch this out.
Okay.
It's fine. It's just temporarily. Look, it just this gets hot. So I'd be on this side here, putting the food inside here, right?
All right.
And I think it could be a fire pit. It's a makeshift.
Yeah.
But this really heats up well. I know someone that's done this.
Yeah.
And it really heats up well.
Great. So look at this, guys. Look how far they've come. They're really doing this fast. This is great. Go inside and finish the rest of the barbecue. It's amazing how fast they can do this. Oh, and this day is still absolutely gorgeous. One of the best days I've seen in a little while. The winter has been bad here, and the spring. I think it's been that way too back home. But oh, I just realized Carlos left that window open, and I told him to keep the windows closed. Okay, gotta go back inside and close this.
As you can see, today is a super, super sunny day. And we've been waiting for a day like this for a while. It's here. It's not going to last, I mean, it's going to be here maybe today, tomorrow more rain, but it's going to come back. So more and more we're going to get days like this from now on. And I'm telling you, the sun's burning. It's heavy duty. And the cool thing about today is that we have my friend Thomas, thank God he agreed to do this. He knew I was desperate a little bit. And him and his friend has been doing an amazing job. As you can see, these walls now are smooth. I can already visualize them painted white like the other ones. I can visualize my basic, simple barbecue churrasco ready. So this is all great. You know, we've been waiting a long time for this. And yeah, they say between maybe another 2, because they got other things they got to do, 2-3 days. Obviously, it can't be raining, but hopefully, you know, they'll get a lot of it done. And that's the thing you got to do here. So if anybody is looking for someone that can do a lot of jobs, just send me a note and I'll pass it on to Thomas. Okay. And yeah, I do have a few people, but he's done work for me before, so I trust him. When he can't do something, he'll say it. And yeah, he's a great guy, speaks English. So some of you that are coming in that are not regularly here or won't be here the whole time, he's a trustworthy guy and a quality worker, which is what we need. All right, guys. So I got to get back to work. Laura has been doing some spraying, you know, pest control, which is needed to do here, you know, regularly. And yeah, let's go. Actually, before I go back, let me just take an ocean break here. Look how nice this is. It's been like this all day. Look at this. And if you haven't seen, I think you probably, Laura's filmed it, or I filmed it, I can't remember. Is our new umbrella. It's nice, very nice. So we had lunch here under it, and it's just, it's like it's been here the whole time. Beautiful.
Hi guys, so we're almost at the end of the day. Thomas and the other gentleman have left. So I'm going to show you what they've finished so far. Did you already do that? Oh, that's great. Okay, so Carlos, I have to show you. Carlos is actually putting one of these solar lights up so people can see when they're coming up the driveway. So just this driveway here. I'm not going to go too close because it'll be noisy. It's already noisy. Is it good? Oh, sorry, I just lost my train of thought there. I thought I saw a whale. Hold on. That stops you from working when you're staying here. Not that people that are staying here will be working. What do you need? Oh, the little plug. I thought I gave that to you.
One of them you did.
Oh, here it is. Okay, hold on. There you go. And you need the screwdriver. Oh. Oh, it's gonna be noisy. Sorry, guys. Oh, you know what? The sunset's gonna be gorgeous tonight. Screwdriver?
Yeah.
Oh, you're showing your underwear.
Calvin Klein. Pass me the light. It's easier to put the bottom one.
Yeah, so this is the light we're going to be putting up. Matches the wall. These work really well. How far do they go again?
I'm not sure 100%.
But roughly, wasn't it 6 meters?
Yeah, I think it's 6 meters.
Yeah, 6 meters. To make sure that these are going on straight.
Yeah.
I hate crooked lights. Actually, we might have to adjust the first one we did on the shed, because that's a little crooked, I think. How is it?
I think it's pretty
Is
good.
it? Or is it still crooked?
I think it's good.
What do you guys think? Use the balancer. Right over
I
here.
don't want to be completely perfect.
Okay.
Here all night.
I don't know. It is a little crooked, isn't it? Here, give me that balancer.
I don't think so. I just got them. You gotta just
Oh, hold on.
let's see if
Okay. Here, take the camera. Say some words.
All right, let's give it a shot.
That's not balanced. This would be balanced.
So what do we
So
need
it
to
is-
do?
It's off a little bit.
It's almost there. It's almost there. It's fine.
That's not almost there. It's the bubbles at the end.
Okay. It's still
But
gonna work.
anyways,
Still
we're not
gonna
putting
work.
another hole in the wall.
No, I think it's fine.
As long as it does its purpose.
That's right.
And it gives the light.
Sun and work. Okay,
Yes.
guys, perfection.
So anyway, guys, we're signing off for tonight. And
Back tomorrow.
we will be back tomorrow.